Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I want to share how I did my lion head. Like always, I don't have really much time and I wanted to do a lion. I wasn't really sure how to start, if I wanted to have a open mouth, if I wanted to be just serious, if I wanted exactly how the fur it was gonna be. But I started to put the details to make it try to look like a lion. I also didn't like that the face was looking more like a bear than a lion. But I kept going just to put more details. But basically, even if I was working on it, at this point I didn't like it. I wanted kind of to give up and rip up everything and try to do another day. But I decided to just think how I could fix it, think about the backstory of the character and what could I do to make it better. And I decided to put a patch on his eye to try to have this character to be a warrior and that he lost his eye in battle. So that gave me a lot of things to think about and make me not to give up. I was kind of getting happy how I was turning out and all the ideas that I had. And like anything, when you're working, the more details that you can do, the better. Sometimes slowly. And well, like always, when I'm working, of course, my cat shows up to see what I'm doing. Sometimes he will lay on top of my things. But today she was just being curious and I don't know what she's thinking on her mind, but if you have pets, they will give you trouble, more the hair, but it's okay. Sometimes it's fun to watch how curious they are, and how they don't listen. And well, after she left, I was able to continue working on my sculpture. And like I was saying, I made some dragons in the past, and just putting those details in the scales, even if you have to do one by one is worth it. It gives you that effect. Over here with the hair, I was trying something new, and I was putting just pieces. I know I will just go and fix it, putting some details, blending them, and I really like it how it was turning out. And I was just keep working slowly. Sometimes, like I said, some details takes longer, but I completely worth it. And right now, I was just so happy that I didn't stop, that I didn't give up, and I was liking it how it was turning out. But also, when I started, I wanted just the head, the face of the lion, so I wasn't really thinking how to was gonna be at the end. So that's something that always to plan ahead. But because I didn't, I only wanted to put like a body, but I didn't have a lot of space between the head and the base. So I just started putting clay and see if I was gonna be able to do it. And at the end, I think it was simple, but I like what I come up. It is like a space suit. She's like a captain that was in battle, and this is just like to show who he was. No, and I hope it gave you some ideas to create your own pieces. And I hope you like it. Subscribe, comment below if you want to any question or you want to see something else, and I'll be happy to make it. And remember, just go create, no matter what. Create and don't give up. Don't give up. Just keep doing it, even if you don't like it at the beginning. Sure, you'll make something good. See you next time.